little 5, little 6, little 7, little 8. It ended there. Okay, natatay ako.
Saan mag-umpisa? Okay. I'm gonna start. Okay, so alam ko, we're probably all still tired. We just woke up. Ang linggo nito, sobrang intense, sobrang stressful.
At sobrang hirap. Diba?
So, I called this meeting because, we called this meeting because, we wanted to, talk about ano naganap kahapon sa nomination. I forgot, nakalimutan ako na the nomination, anong ibig sabihin, the bigger picture of it was, sino sa tingin mo hindi karapat-dapat sa top 4? And I was really beating myself up about it kahapon kasi I realized, a lot of the stuff that was said towards me was to step up. If it was a challenge, I already failed right on the spot there. Kasi, that was a chance. That was a chance to step up. If na-believe ako sa sarili ko na I'm karapat-dapat sa top 4, why didn't I defend myself, a little better? I took what you guys said, as constructive criticism and, to help me, make me better. Pero, sa tingin ko, I don't know, kung hindi sapat ng nomination, that was the only thing that we kind of picked at. That's just my thoughts.
Sa akin naman, siya naganap kagabi. Siguro, sa akin, yun nga sa pagiging step up, so, kung naman, naano ko na hindi pwede yung lagi ko na lang iano yung sarili ko. Kumbaga, pupush ko na lang na ganito. Ganyan. Hindi ko pwedeng depensa ang sarili ko. So, karapatan kong depensa ang sarili ko kung bakit ako. So, yun. At, yun nga, kagaya sabi ni Paring Kevin, nakasado na kung sino hindi karapat dapat sa pagiging Big 4. So, yung mga payag na lang ba ako na ganon. So, accept ko na lang yung ganon. Yung sinabi sa akin, hindi ko kailangan depensa ang sarili ko. At hayaan ko na lang na makagaw sa akin ng bola. Dapat malusutan ko kung ano yung dapat. So, yun.
For the whole stepping up thing, I was going on a rant yesterday because I was really trying to think about it. There was may isang hamon na I really didn't step up. That's when I really realized that, I really didn't step up, and that was the Ratahuli challenge. Kasi natalo, we lost. We all lost. No one caught. The reason I realized that I didn't step up was
mga taong nagamal sa akin, lalo-lalo na yung lola at lolo ko na yun, masyado akong mabait. Grab ako na, grab din ko na kung ano yung napasok ko. So, thank you po, kuya. Yun.
So, nag-realize ako, if I really do think na karapat-dapat ako sa top 4, bakit napayag ako sa, okay, ako, yes, me. We did all do the raise of hands, so, from what I saw, me and Vigo did get the highest amount of hands. Pero that was the chance to, because it was a face-to-face, so you can say, wait,
Face-to-face domination.
Bakit, give me reasons, and then, I'll try to give you reasons to maybe change your mind. Here's the way that ang tingnan mo sa akin. Ganyan. So, I mean, we can go back there, but I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts first, because it's only if we're all willing to, so. I mean, if you think your guys' things were solid, and that's what you want to stick to, then okay then. But, let's talk about it. So I know going back there would probably add a lot more stress. I mean, this week's not going to get any less stressful, but...
Yeah. Sa palagay ko, ayaw ko punta sa kwarto niyan. I don't want to go back to that nomination thing. It's kind of like, one, tama si Kuya, you guys had your chance to step up when you guys were nominated. Then also, too, it's like, nakita kami that you guys are really stressed. I don't want to see myself or any of the other housemates here just as stressed as you guys are. It's just going to make us crazy. But that, again, that's just my opinion.
It's okay, it's okay.
Sa Tagalog yun.
Para man, ayaw ko gusto pupunta sa
Bumalik.
kwarto niya.
At naisip ko yan, I thought that, I don't know. Oh, God. Thank you. I was also thinking, like, yeah, that was the chance to have stepped up, and I didn't. And I was always, I kept asking, like, why? Well, I don't know, I asked myself, like, if I already missed a chance, then why go back? Why do it again? Pero, I don't know, I just thought, I wanted to outvoice a little bit.
So, narealize ko na, ginila ko yung gano'n na nangyari. Mataas na lang yung kamay ko at matungo. Ba't di ako lumaban? Dinala yun sa lahat ng oras maging mabait ako. So, yun.
See, I'm gonna ask you a tough question. So I know if we have something to talk about pagdating natin dun, if ever we're gonna go. If pupunta man tayo dun, may magagawa ba tayo? May bago bang mangyayari? Sa tingin nyo ba, may mga housemates na hindi nominado, hindi sa inyong dalawa, na you're better, you deserve it more than they do? Mas deserving ka ba sa kanila na magiging top 4? I think that's a question na dapat din natin iisipin bago tayo bumalik dun. Kasi we're gonna be there, you're gonna defend yourselves, but you're not, we have to nominate again.
Yeah.
Oh.
Naisip ko,
You don't need to mention names ngayon kasi that would be, dun na sa, if you think we should,
Strong valid reasons.
strong reasons kung why it should be someone else, not you. Wait, more ice.
Kasi naisip ko, I did think about it, because I know, yeah, that would it would add stress. It adds stress, what you said, Carlo. At the chance thing, that it was last night, that was the chance. I don't know, I kept thinking about, like, why should, I was asking, what's up, kay Bigel, I don't know, I was thinking, like, if that was the chance, then why should we why should we get, you know, another one to go back?
Also, in mode that I know we're also in the same shoes too, but in a different way. Kasi ngayon, now it's like we're defending our spot to not be nominated.
Ito ang pinakamahirap ng...
This is the part of it talaga.
This is oh.
I don't know. You said to be in the top 4, right? To me, you two out of the group are children. Not children like it's a bad thing, but compared to the rest of the group, you're still bata to me. And to me, I would want an adult in the top 4. And not that it's, I mean, I love you guys, but, for example, like the counting the trees thing, we kind of had to ask you to do it, whereas you guys didn't go, okay, I'll do it. It's a tough thing to do, but I can do it, Whereas Slater and Carlo counted it over and over and over in time. It's just kind of like you guys are just doing the simple things, like cutting tape. Okay, here you go. I think out of the group, you two are the. And it's not a bad thing at all. Trust I would love to be a child again, but it's just out of decision making, out of all that stuff. You guys to me are still children, so that's why I don't want to go back into the nomination room. But yeah, it's not a bad thing at all. It's just that I think that the top 4 should be able to make harder decisions for themselves. And out of the group. I don't see that in you guys. Wala pa.
Ito yung point for the group.
Yeah, this is what.
That's a point.
This is what.
So, ito yung point talaga na gusto mangyari ni Kuya, na mapaisip tayo para magbigay tayo ng good defense, good why I want to be here, why. So, dapat mismo tayo o sila din bibigay din ng tamang dahilan kung bakit,
Bata. Ko na maintindihan. Bata. Ewan ko. I think it's burnt.
Yeah, it smells.
Yeah, I turned it off na.
Okay.
Sino nagsahin?
Ako? Nalimutan ko kasi ito na isip ko ay.
Right. Nahirap talaga to. I understand you guys. Kahit sa amin, ako personally, it's really hard to see you guys nominated. That's why I want to hear reasons. I want to change my mind. I want to see if I should change my mind.
Ako din.
Naiintindihan.
Alam ko.
Gusto ko may